Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw simple traffic lights using Excel. So in Excel, you can do it by pressing this simple button insert. Then upon clicking insert, you go to the illustration option here. So in this drop down here, you have place named shapes. So you need to expand these shapes, then you can have different options. So I'll start with a sort of a rectangle to get our good design of traffic lights. So I'll just make it elongated like this one here, maybe here. This is the case. Then I'll draw those bubbles or those cycles. So you can always, after having this option, you can always add it from here, but let me go back to the basics. That means pressing insert, then illustrations again, then shapes. So there is recently shapes, lines, rectangles. So you can scroll basic shapes, block arrows. For my case, because I need a cycle, I'll just go for this here, flowchart connector, like a connector, but I'll make it bigger. So it should look like a cycle. So I will just draw it here, like this one here. Then I'm trying to resize it so that it can fit within our rectangle. Make sure you move the cycle, not rectangle like this one. So you just kick it here. Then just get it to the edges for better fit, because this one is, yeah, there. So I have it. Because it's for traffic lights, I'll copy, as usual, Control C, paste two of them. So I'll take the one here, this to the bottom. Then I take the other one here to the middle. Just like that. Now let us do some witchcraft here now. So what we do now, first you just select this rectangle here. Then there is an option of shape format here. Or you can always right click here and get those varieties. So I'll start with this by, make sure you just click this rectangle here. Make sure you select the rectangle, then shape format. So upon clicking shape format, then shape fill, because I don't want anything there, I'll put shape fill, no fill here. Yes, so you don't have any fill for the rectangle. Then I'll start with this one. So this one, because it should be red, so I'll go for shape fill. I'll put red in color. This is the red. Then the boundaries, I can outline. I can remove the outline, no outline. So it will be like that one. You see, it's just shape like this one, red one. Then for the middle one, I'll put now, because now you click, it automatically clicks itself for shape format. For the middle one, which is greenish, yellowish or amber. So I'll use this one here. Okay. Then outline again, shape outline, the boundaries, that means no outline. You can put any color, black, gray, blue. Then the last one, this should be green. In shape format here, then I put this green, the colorful green. Then the shape outline, I put it no outline. So just like that. So we're almost done, but you can put this black, maybe the shape outline. We need it to be black. Yes, automatic or black you choose. Yes. Then you need to keep it a bit bolder, the weight. So these are the weight of the line. So I'll put maybe 3 point or 4.5. So it depends. So for instance, I'll put 3 point. Just like that. So you want maybe in Excel, I can remove these grid lines here. You need to go to view, then uncheck grid lines. You have an Excel. Okay, that's it. You have a simple traffic light using Excel. Thank you for watching. If there's any question, drop a comment. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you a lot.